How to make video calls using Google Chat. For this, you can open Google Chat application in a mobile device. If not, open a browser and search for Google Chat. Now, if you do not have this application, don't worry, you can download it using a Play Store or an App Store. Just open up your Play Store or App Store and in the search bar, search for Google Chat. Tap on the suggestion of Google Chat and tap on Install. If you already have it installed and there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, tap Open. Then tap on Get Started. Select the conversation where you want to video chat. So for an example, I'll be doing it with you. Now at the very top next to the email address, you can see this emoticon of a video call. So you just have to go ahead and tap on this option. Then go ahead and grant the permission that it asks for. Mainly it will ask for taking photographs and audio feature. So go ahead and do that. Now once you go ahead and make a call, it will connect with the person right away. However, make sure that the person that you want to connect have access to Google Chat, Gmail or Google Meet. And once you do that, you'll be able to connect with the person. So go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.